putting on suitcase that made me sweat. So, okay. All right. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bridget, if you are new here. And I mainly make travel videos and packing and prepping. Well, I'm trying to get into packing and prepping. I'm too ADHD for it. So today we are packing slash prepping for Cruise Croatia. So today is June 20th, which gives us about 2 weeks to prep and pack. So ish, because I leave right after the 4th of July and I'm kind of away for the long weekend and the holiday here. So it kind of only gives me a week-ish to kind of figure out what I need and don't need, or what I have and what I maybe need to get. And to quickly like plug myself really quick, I am an ambassador for EF Ultimate Brakes. So what that means is my link below and my code UABridget100 can get a first-time traveler $100 off. And that's stackable. I am bringing a checked bag. I know it says not to, and that maybe I'll regret it. Don't care. I will live with the regret. And I'll let you know if this is worth it or not. If not, to bring a carry-on, we'll find out. So later me will let you know. With that, we're gonna get into clothes. And then we're gonna get into toiletries, and like we're gonna go from there on what I have. I'm gonna make a list. I'm gonna kind of go through. I am gonna try on some of the clothes that I actually did get, so that way maybe if you feel like seeing, you can get some ideas. Everything, I'm gonna do my best, but everything will be linked in my Shop My link too. And for reference, I am 5'10", and so that makes me kind of tall. I'm long torsoed and long legged. Slay. So if you struggle with finding things because you're tall like me, hopefully this is the right channel for you as well, and we can kind of plan together. I've changed a little bit because I got chilly, but now we're gonna start putting some of this stuff in my suitcase. But first we're gonna pack a lot of it in packing cubes as well. And these are my packing cubes. These are the compression packing cubes. I will have them linked down below. They are amazing. They are from Amazon. Out of this giant pile on the floor right now, and to maybe organize it a little bit more, and then kind of go from there. And then I think we're gonna go to the bathroom and start maybe getting some toiletries together as best as I can, on like what I don't need right now. So yeah, let's get started. It's been a couple days since I left you guys off on like my initial packing, but now I'm running a bunch of errands. So I wrote out a list of like everything I'm gonna need to pick up that I don't already have, and some of it's just like replacements to like makeup, sunscreen. I wrote out a list of like everything I need, and it's right. So I'm gonna take a picture and probably go get some of them. I ran out of nasal spray, which is always good to clean. This is my favorite immune support throat spray to help not get sick. I'm gonna grab another sunblock, or my sister asked me to grab her another sunscreen, so I'm gonna grab her one. I ran out of my 8 million Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer that I think I've had since I was 13, so it's a glorious day. So today I'm gonna be buying hand sanitizer as well. Some fashion tape for some tops just to kind of get them to secure, and maybe shaving cream. I haven't decided if I really care or if maybe I'll just buy a bottle there. But yeah, like, does it matter to me or does it not? I'm not sure. So yeah, so I'm also running to the bank to order some foreign currency as well. I'm doing that for both me and my sister today. So yeah, it's a busy day of running some errands. I did go through some of my stuff yesterday actually, which I forgot to record, and I'm bringing some returns back that I've decided that I don't really know how to make an outfit with it, and B, I didn't feel like it looked good on me. So, you know, I might as well go get some money back and go from there. So I'm gonna transfer you to my phone though, so if the quality is a little bit different, that's why. So yeah, we're gonna get going. Let's go. All right. We're back. It's July 6th. We're a couple days out before we leave. I'm holding ice because I jammed my finger. I got my nails done. Cute. This is my first time ever getting gel X. Like, I've never had acrylics on my nails ever in my life, and I keep jamming my hand. Like, I keep my nail keeps getting caught and I keep jamming it, and I don't know if you know this, it really hurts. So I'm holding ice and hoping that it helps. So anyway, nails done, toes done, and I'm finishing up a couple other things that I need to get done. Like anything that might need to be washed that I wore this past week to pack away. I'm gonna make a couple videos for TikTok and YouTube and other things, so I'm gonna probably pull a couple things out just to kind of get that content done. I also picked up euros for me and my sister, so that is all set. Ooh. I picked up $1,000 in euros and that's split between me and my sister, so we're each taking 500. And we're gonna take out the tip for anything first. So with our rough estimate on that, we're probably gonna have, quick math here, I'm thinking like $300 left over if we take out all the tip together and stuff like that. For spending, which might not be enough. I'm thinking that I probably will have to pull out more cash when I'm there, but this is just to kind of go to there with. And I'll let you know if that was enough or if I needed more or whatever the story is, but right now that's what I have. Anything that I might need like last minute, like I need to add my makeup, my cream, my toothbrush, my retainer, like anything that I'm currently using now, I need to make a list of so I don't forget the day of, because I am working the day we leave because our flight's not till 9 o'clock at night, so why take the day? Anyway, let's get started. I'm gonna pull some stuff out. I'm gonna show you what I've done so far and you can kind of see where I am at. But yeah, we're getting there. We're, you know, we're almost like 2 days out basically, so it's kind of exciting. Yeah, my finger really hurts. So this is what it looks like right now. Some of it's plain outfit, some of it's towels that I used over the 4th of July weekend, so I got to wash, and I'm gonna put in my suitcase now, and other things is just like comfy clothes. That's my sunblock bag that I was using this weekend, bathing suit, a hat for sure. That's my plain sweatshirt, and then I did buy film cameras. I'm really excited, so I found them at Walmart, so I was like, why not? Suitcase so far, I've got my bikinis, that is tops and something else, and this is dresses and some skirts and stuff like that. And as you can see, I kind of have some room. Oop, that did not work. I still have some room, which is good. We're trying not to fill it too much. But yeah, makeup, I'm holding all liquids in my bag because I'm checking my bag, so that's me and my sister's like liquids and stuff. And this one, my shoes, I got a little heated round brush. It's dual voltage, and then that is like after sun because my sister is very pale, so that is for her. And yeah, so we're gonna probably add some of this stuff here into here, but first I need to make some content, so let's get going. This might seem odd, but I have to pack this. I bought it for a friend that I'm meeting there, so record store day. This is what I bring on the plane with me as my personal item. This has medication and everything, technology, headphones, compression socks, and then let's zip this up. Hi guys, I'm just finishing up a pack and prep because today we leave tonight actually in just a couple hours. So I'm just finishing up a couple last minute things like repacking my carry-on bag and just making sure everything is kind of in my suitcase and ready to go. I'll give you a little clip. Yep, so I added a Ziploc bag with all my liquids just so it doesn't explode, and hair, a bag. I've got a good amount of room in here still, which is kind of nice. Yeah, I added another pair of shoes, a tripod. Yeah, I'm now gonna download some movies on my iPad and kind of make sure my Kindle's all charged up and ready to go. But in that, I'm set to go and we're heading for the airport in just a couple hours. So thanks so much for joining me. I don't know what that was, but thanks so much for joining me on this pack and prep for Cruise Croatia with EF Ultimate Brakes. I'm so excited. I can't believe it literally is today because I booked this trip probably a year and a half ago. So yeah, if you have any questions at all about what to bring, what you want to know, I will do my best to answer every and all questions in the comments once I get this video up. And yeah, and stay tuned for the Cruise Croatia vlog. Bye.